Hey guys, it's February 21st, Wednesday, and we have gotten a lot done since episode 1. I want to give you an update on where we're at. I've been trying to film it, but I just can't do that and work at the same time, so you're just gonna have to deal with a bunch of bookmarked type of videos to where I just kind of show you a bunch of stuff at one point. So there's what we've gotten done so far. We have gotten all the top cabinets out. The soffit and all the lighting is out and gone. Most of the appliances are out. The dishwasher and the sink are still in place, but we gotta turn some plumbing off for that to make sure we have all that shut off before we can remove that. Tomorrow we're gonna worry about getting all this torn out and all the cabinets out, but we have made a lot of progress. Our wall to our dining room is wiped out. We got to figure out how we're going to make that connection and make that work when we take that wall out. But it is looking like something. It's looking like chaos is what it's looking like. But trying to give you an idea, this is the view of what our new kitchen is going to be. From about where I'm standing is the edge of the new cabinets across the way from the existing cabinets. It's going to be amazing. Right there is where the old cabinets used to sit. And where I'm standing is going to be the new cabinets. So that's what we've been up to. We've been up to a lot. So I'll keep you guys updated. That's what we got going so far. It's been dirty and messy and stressful, but we've got it all, a lot of it torn out, and we move on to the next stuff and see how it goes from there. Keep you updated. Stay tuned.